Alright guys, we're back again with another 2016 Topps Holiday box. Let's see what we get. Ten packs. You should hit an autograph, a relic, or an autograph relic in every box. Our first box, in case you did not watch, we got the Cespedes back card. 10 packs. These are pretty good value, I think, for 10 packs for what they cost. I actually may pick up some more. These are a decent rip to me. Albert Almora. I may get my Cubs team set done here. McCutchen, Dickey, Adam Jones, Shelby Miller, Kyle Seager. I don't know exactly how big this set is. There's Rizzo. Did you see it? I don't even know if I was showing it, but there's Rizzo. Sometimes I lose the fact that I'm on camera. Denard Span, Elvis Andrews. There we go. Pack number 2 there. Here's pack number 3. Hope everybody's having a happy new year. Everybody had a good Christmas. Tanaka, Machado, Prado. And here's our other hit. We're hitting them all early. Jackie Bradley, Matt Harvey. Winners. Let's put it in a penny sleeve. Freddie Freeman. One color swatch there. There's our other hit. Not numbered. Relic card. So, all I'm hitting is relic cards. I have a feeling there's probably more of them than autos. Adrian Gonzalez. Prince Fielder. Justin Upton. Goldschmidt. They still are fun. Kenta Maeda. Boo-doo-doo. Mauer. Span, Longoria. Oh, this one's different. This one's got glitter on it. It's Chris Sale. I don't know if I got one of them in the last box or not. That was Jake Arrieta, sorry. I'll have to double check my last box. I might have missed it. I just felt the grittiness of that glitter. I might have missed one of those. I don't know. Starlin Marte. Brandon Belt. Salvador Perez. There's Aroldis Chapman. Teixeira, Trevor Story. Ryan Howard. Jason Hamill for my Cubs. And Addison Russell for my Cubs. I might have them all together here for too long. There's a... Oh, that one's glittery. It's Joe Marr. So they might not... I must have missed them in the last box. There's a regular Chris Sale. I will go back and double check them. Russell Martin. As you know, If you watch my videos, I collect Martins. Because I am a Martin. And Bogaerts, Josh Donaldson, Pineda, Poppy, George Springer. And last pack, Hosmer, Cabrera, Wade Davis, Robbie Cano, Javier Baez, another Cub, Holiday, Cameron Maybin. So just a little recap, we did get the Freddie Freeman jersey and the glittery cards. What are those things called? Let's see if it shows any. Base metallic, snowflake parallel 1 and 2. Okay, so it must be the snowflake base metallic, I guess, 1 and 2. So I probably missed several of those, so I'll go back through and find them. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.